Hello guys, once again welcome back to my channel Data Reactor. So in today's session we are going to look at one of the question which was asked in an interview. So the interview has given us this input table where the ID and name and age was given and total 6 records are there, and the output he wants to be in this format, okay, where 3 records are there. Here you can see the Rahul and the Rohit are patched up, like the youngest we need to match with the oldest person. So in this table you can say Rahul with 25 years of age is the youngest candidate here, and 52 Rohit is the oldest one. So in this way we need to patch and make a pair out of them. Okay, so total 6 records are there, so we will get 3 record when we are going to pair them. So the next youngest and the second oldest person, in this way we will go and make a total 3 pair. Okay, so I hope question is clear now. So let's jump to our SQL application, and here we will try to get the same thing from our queries. Okay, so guys, here I have already taken and written the queries regarding creating a table and the values inserted into it. So our table name is people's table. I have already executed this query. So let's run the final select star from peoples and see. See, this is the table which we have already have in our system. Okay. So now let's see. So what we will do here is that we will take the age as a column and we will try to do the ascending and descending of this age. Okay. Once again, let's write select. Then we will write star itself and then comma. We will take the age in ascending and descending in the ranking order. So we can use the row number also or the dense rank also. Here we will take the dense rank, no issue, dense rank, and we will use the over clause. In over we will not taking any partition by, we are taking the order by clause only directly. So here by what parameter we are going to do the ascending descending, we are going to take the age as a column. Okay, so we will write by age, and first we will take by ascending. Okay, let's give the alias name to this column as age underscore asc. Okay, similarly we want also here for the descending order also. Okay, so for descending we can just change this to descending, change the column name also to descending from peoples. Okay, people's table we are dealing with. Let's remove this last comma. Okay, let's run it to see how our table look like. So you can see we got 2 extra columns with age ascending and descending orders. Okay, you can say from 25 to 52 our age is increasing, so our ascending order is also from 1 to 6. Okay, and descending is just the reverse of that, from highest to lowest we are given the ranking. So now you can see this from this table. Once we got this table, then we can apply our logic that to match up the pair with the youngest and the oldest, what we need to do. Many of you might have got the clue also here. What we are next we are going to do it is that we need to compare the age in ascending, that 6, with this 6 in the descending. In this way what we are going to achieve, Rohit must be paired with this 6 means Rahul. So youngest will be paired with the oldest person. Okay. So this concept we are going to use. And the second concept what we are going to have is that with the self, because this is the only one table we have. Okay. So one table when joined with same table, we are going to use as a self join. Okay. That concept of self join also. So this table we have. Okay. Let's wrap this table into city, our concept. Okay. We will write city, and once again, what was our final table we wanted? In final table we want the age, name and age of the youngest person and name and age of the oldest person. So same thing we are going to retrieve here. Let's write name comma age. Okay, sorry, age. So in this we will say like from city as C1 we will take, And let's join, give one more self join city as ct2. Okay, so here we want c1, we can say c1 dot name. Okay, here again age also we want, here c1 we are taking as the youngest person table. Okay, let's copy this one and paste here again. This we want our c2. Okay, join on what condition? That is the main condition and the core part of this our logic. Here what we are going to do is that c1 dot, here we're going to age ascending should be equal to c2 dot age descending. Okay, so let first write execute this much query only. Let's see what our table or what the SQL gives the output. Okay, so see, now we got the Rahul matched with the Rohit with the 52A. So you can see we have got somewhat our output but not exact three rows. For that, you can first of all we can see the age 52, next age 28 matched with the next oldest person. So in this way, these are nothing but the continuation due to our join self join condition. Okay, so on next line we will put our where condition, where what we want only three rows because rest three are nothing but the redundant values which you are getting, like you can see Rahul and Rohit paired here. Okay, the same last also Rohit and Rahul paired, so these are nothing but the redundant values, so these last three rows can be omitted. Okay, so here we will omit last three rows using the condition that c1 dot, you can say is ascending should be less or equal to 3. Okay, let's execute one more time. Okay guys, so now you can see this is our final output which we wanted and which the interviewer also wanted, so in this format. So we got our answer, Rahul 25 matched with the oldest person. So guys, in this whole query we got the concept of how to use the concept of self join table, and the main core logic behind that was to do the ascending and descending of our age column and then comparing those two with the equal sign here we can see, and to get the three records we have equated with the where condition where a should be less or equal to 3. So guys, these are very easy questions, but when you listen or hear from interviewer mouth for the first time you might feel hard, but giving a second thought we can see these questions are not too much tough. These are very basic questions which test our basic skills. So I hope guys you enjoy this session, and please do like and subscribe my channel. And if you guys have any other method to solve this question, then please do write down in our comment section so that other people and myself can have a look on that also. So I hope you guys enjoy it. Have a good day and take care of yourself. Bye bye guys.